Hello, in this video we will discuss how to make control system in account receivable section. For small and medium businesses, managing end balances of account receivables has high sensitivity for gain, sufficient and objective cash budgets. For outstanding customer invoices in financials using aging method. For evaluate and identify any irregularities within the company's account receivables. Outstanding customer invoices and credit memos are categorized by date ranges. Let's explain aging method pragmatically. Okay, let's understand these procedures by example. Now is the 31st of December of 2020 and you are going to test and price account receivable and balance. By aging, we represent end of amount. This is 100,000. In our problem is how aged is this amount? How much period is attributed and balance? We represent here the each quarter and balances. We took 4 amount sequence and represented the days overview of this sequence. 100,000 and previous period was a 50,000. It means a 50,000 has a 92 days aged, and also previous period from this 50,000 is a 10,000. It means a 40,000 has aged 184 and 10,000 not closed in previous periods. It means that 10,000 is the more 365 periods. For each amount attributed, each relevant impairment range. Maybe it's so-called inflation's portion, which is the devaluation your account receivables, and we represented the sum of these amounts, which is the multiplied relevant attributed loss range, and there's 1,150 of total loss. Okay, let's discuss on about these procedures as what's the advantage and what is the disadvantage in our point of view. First, the most useful, this is a timely reveal provisions and bad debts. It's a pretty cool control system and meets the requirements of IFRS 9, especially on expected credit loss section. And it is anti-fraud activity and object to get budgets. It's exclude the fraud deals by some not integrated managements. Also, disadvantage has because attributed ages is misstated because of end balance sequences is white. What does it mean? So, if you are going to represent this test of control, more perfect should represent periods of very density. What does it mean? You should every week's end balances, every day's end balances and test. It is a huge work or need very expensive modules, real difficult to manage. And then also another difficulties is difficult to judge relevant impairment range. By most easy assurance, this is possible to calculate depend on inflation rate. So it's depend on each customer's issues. Pretty judgmental of took this percentage. Let's start in big data and testing and assemble of data visualization depends on aging procedure. Let me show the practical table for managing account receivables. Here's the first column is related to date. Here's the every week date, whole year and finish. This 52 weeks. And next table, here's we took 50 customers and balances of each week. Here's a static information which should be manipulated and calculated at next stage. We have the date, we have the amounts, and these amounts, which is the last, is crucial, and the balances for calculate. And let me show how calculation works. take this column. Here's the end balance, this amount, and we should test it at this period. We have the 52-week period, and for each customers relate each test. Now, simply it's the increasing period to period, this testing. In this control system, formula has a main role for calculate primitive if function, but with complicated structure. 1 week late, this amount, and 2000, and this has a 4 weeks aged, 4 week late, because here's this amount and this amount relate, and at setup also here's this amount, 25 weeks aged, and represented on this table for every sequences. Okay, next stage after first test actually is the testing of whole amount. Here's the 66,490, this amount. And next stage after test procedure, here's the represented the sums by week periods. Here's the related attributed loss ranges, account receivable impairment range, which is the multiply this amount, and represented the net provision, net loss of account receivable aging. Also, this is the attributed each amount at each period for all values, which is the tested. This table it's finished like this. Here's actually 3 table, which is the based on this static table, with the represented the customers and balances, and we are testing actually every 52 weeks period. Another table should transpose this table for more data visualization. Of periods, this amount, which is the tested last test, yes, at last test amounts, we're representing like this. Here's the week periods, and here's the customer names and customer IDs. Okay, let me show after finish of these tables filling in big picture. This big picture is the data visualization. Yes, we're representing here the customers and balances. Here's the total amount of customers, and what is the tricky in this section. Okay, here's the customer 45, which is the amount, account receivables, the 9,000, this amount. Yes, this amount is represented, but its attributed loss more than 100, because mostly of the first weeks, this amount 9 weeks, 52 weeks and first weeks. Highest amount 34, which is the net loss 6,000 amount, but the loss it's high because the high portion of this end balance. So this is the represented account receivable control by aging, and I hope this is useful for your daily control systems and account receivables managing. Thanks for watching.